Today, I met a great new friend who knew me right away. It was funny how she understood all I had to say. She listened to my problems. She listened to my dreams. We talked about love and life. She had been there too, it seems. I never once felt judged by her. She knew just how I felt. She seemed to just accept me and all the problem I had been dealt. She didn't interrupt me or wait to have a say. She just listened patiently and didn't go away. I wanted her to understand how much this meant to me. But as I went to hug her, something startled me. I put my arms in front of me and went to pull her nearer and realized that my new best friend was nothing but